You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is u equals 30 over 11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all u terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 9u from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the u. Divide both sides by -11. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is u equals 30 over 11.